Yes, and the birds of paradise are blooming quite a bit after quite a bit of rain that we have received. So I have just put together this beautiful vase in my amber tall glass vase there. And this one is like trying to come out of its cocoon there. And these are double birds of paradise. Yeah, there's two of them. See? Yep. So these are the most beautiful and exotic flowers that we Californians kind of take them for granted, but they are absolutely tropical and they are amazingly gorgeous. Yeah, look at the shape of the inner flower. It's kind of like the purple iris. But this is one of those amazing flowers, and all of these were hiding tucked tightly inside this bud. And look at how much it flared out. And these are really nice because they last for a good 2 weeks. I think I might just help this guy a little bit, like releasing this stranglehold sometimes. Aha, see? That's what's causing the stuck. All right, well, we'll follow up and see what happens, if they're gonna be popping out soon. All right, cheers. Have a blessed Sunday. The Sunday after the Sunday of Epiphany, the manifestation of Christ the King.